Movie camera intro, 0 to 130, soft dramatic music, satellite visuals of Earth, narrator. In the vast history of our planet, Earth has always had its own rhythm, sometimes calm, sometimes chaotic. But in 2026, scientists began noticing something unusual, something that could change weather patterns across the entire world. A warming Pacific Ocean. Stronger than expected winds. And a silent warning from nature itself. This is the story of the Super El Niño 2026, a climate event that could reshape how we live, farm, and survive. Wave Scene 1. What is happening in the ocean? 1:30 to 4 o'clock. Visual, ocean warming, temperature maps changing colors. Narrator. To understand this story, we must go deep into the Pacific Ocean. Normally, ocean temperatures rise and fall in a balanced cycle. But during an El Niño event, warm water spreads unusually across the ocean surface. In 2026, scientists noticed something alarming. The Pacific Ocean is warming faster than normal. Warm water is spreading farther than expected. Winds that usually control balance are weakening. One scientist described it as, "It feels like the ocean is slowly changing its mood, and we don't fully understand why. This is not just a small weather change. This is a global system shift." Fire Scene 2. Why the world should care. 4 o'clock to 6:30. Visual, heat waves, floods, dry lands. Narrator. When the ocean changes, the atmosphere follows. That means weather patterns across the world begin to shift. During strong El Niño events, history shows, some countries suffer extreme heat waves, others face heavy rainfall and flooding. Agriculture systems become unstable. Farmers worry about crops. Cities worry about water supply. And governments prepare for emergency responses. In simple words, when El Niño becomes strong, no country stays unaffected. Globe Scene 3. Impact on different regions, 6:30 to 9:30. Visual montage. US storms, Asia floods, Africa drought. Narrator. Let's travel around the world. United States Americas. In parts of North and South America, stronger storms and heavy rains become more likely. Rivers may overflow, and coastal cities face higher flood risks. Globe Asia. In many Asian regions, weather becomes unpredictable. Some areas face drought-like conditions, while others experience sudden heavy monsoon rains. Globe Africa. Some regions may struggle with reduced rainfall, affecting farming and food production. Thermometer Europe. Europe could experience unusual temperature swings, with warmer winters and unpredictable storms. It is as if the entire planet is out of sync. Rice Plant Scene 4. Impact on daily life, 9:30 to 11:30. Visual, supermarkets, farmers, electricity usage. Narrator. This is not just about science. It is about everyday life. When weather patterns shift, food prices can increase. Electricity demand rises due to heat waves. Water shortages become more common. Farmers struggle to predict seasons. Even simple things like grocery shopping or travel can be affected. One expert said, "Climate events like this don't just stay in nature, they enter our homes." Warning Scene 5. Why scientists are concerned, 11:30 to 13:30. Visual, scientists in labs, data screens. Narrator. Scientists are closely monitoring 2026 because this El Niño appears stronger than usual. They are asking important questions. Is climate change making El Niño stronger? Will extreme weather become more frequent? Can early warning systems help reduce damage? What worries experts most is speed. This event is developing faster than expected. And when nature moves fast, humans have less time to prepare. Seedling. Scene 6. Is there any hope? 13:30 to 14:30. Visual, renewable energy, global cooperation. Narrator. Despite the concern, there is hope. Countries are improving, weather forecasting systems, disaster response teams, climate monitoring satellites, and global cooperation is increasing. Scientists believe that with better preparation, damage can be reduced. The Earth may be changing, but so is human ability to respond. Clapperboard outro, 14:30 to 1500. Slow music, Earth from space. Narrator. The Super El Niño 2026 reminds us of one simple truth: we live on a powerful planet. A planet where oceans, winds, and climate are deeply connected. And when one part changes, the whole world feels it. The question is not just what nature will do next, the question is, are we ready for it? Bell end screen line. For YouTube, if you want more global breaking news stories like this, subscribe to Global